Wine akyusiza buli kintu. Buli kintu mu Uganda no kikyuserwa muyaayo oyo.
Ngachi.
Kataba no presenter abakola programs ez'okugenda mu field.
Basonga mu bantu ba TV.
Basonga mu bantu bababuuzaako. Saba akayimba koyagala.
Abasaba banyabo mujebali mwe bali kwera ku TV ya Fene Nyanzi mwe bali kujiraba mwe bali kujeberera kuje kumira ku kati sawa zino
ya TV ya mwe tujiraba
ndi bali wakiseka sabula yaya abaliwo bali chechiru ugambo cha
bakabi tuli bakabi
baraba
yama
bali TV eno jiraba shada abantu basabi nyimba tuzikule
TV
eno STV
tujiraba yo fifida queen akatu tubiraba tubalaba
mutulaba abantu bagala obutala
tubalaba fifira kerekere tubalaba ogambe
basaba n'abanyabo nalaba bukedde kati muveeko
no sango mulala
rasta
yaman
chechiru
people power
yima tukube sawa zino
yaman
kayimba chi
mpaka
Bravo, tusaba kayimba ka Bobby. Mwe abo bitu abuye kubenda ku TV bwe mukaza ba. Saba kayimba akalala.
Mpaka no akakunda.
Akani.
Akapasta Butembe.
Kagamba kacha.
Yayimba ne Bobby.
Acha kali mu Bobby. Kusaba kayimba akalala ko.
Ite. Mpaka na kamesta jine ne Cindy.
Kali wako nina.
Omwali mu ne Bobby.
Kusaba kayimba kali mu Bobby. Yadani ba mukati.
Oyagala kiti.
Kusaba kunyimeza abantu abo. Kina abayimbi bangi nyo. Kina baka million wa lero.
Mboyo munigo.
Million. Bakwa kayimba chi. Bakwa kayimba chi. Valu tugenda kuba valu. Osobola kanyimbira mu.
Yaman.
Yimba valu tugende.
Wolololololololo. Wale. Baby dewe. Sayo opportunity.
Rasta.
Yaman.
Yimbe wale.
Watan
Oyagala wale.
Dempo wale.
Kubira wale.
Yasono
tugenda kuba wale.
Yaman.
Osobola kuda mu nyimbira mu wale.
Mutobola.
Gena maso.
Sina baru bare. Nawe tule.
Na rasta ni lako. Toluguza. Oyagala valu.
Atora bakwanta wanya njagala bya Bobby mwa. Give it a microphone. You man, get this. You know, this comedian is beautiful. He's the most handsome comedian. Give it a hand clap. First, but handsome. Look at it. But handsome. Stand there.
Akumak is smart, that's a compliment.
Why are you a comedian? Because with his dirty handsomeness, you can't do many things. Why are you a comedian? Okay.
Why are people tell us this way?
But Mark, I have two questions.
Yes, boss.
One.
Yes.
Is the science.
Science.
Where does digestion end in the human body?
You know this.
I'm going to ask you science and then English. We are going to collaborate the two.
Connect.
Digestion ends in the small intestine.
Which is it? What is it? What is it? The
Digestion
name.
starts from the mouth.
The mouth?
When you're taking it.
Yes.
It ends where? When it is coming out.
Say it.
Just say the word.
Say it. Where does digestion end in? Okay, you answer for it. Where does digestion end?
In the gullet.
Give no matter come. Give the microphone. I'm gonna take it to audience. Hey. Martha, stay here. You have your question. Where does digestion end in the human body? Put up your hand, please. Woman is there. Mama Nachirija is there. Is there? Is there. Mama Nachirija is there. When it fails, Maulan, when it fails, give it 2,000. Akumpele mitwale bi. Very good. Repeat it. Where does digestion end?
Where does it end? Very good.
Using that same word, construct two sentences. Yes, two sentences. Using the answer given by Mama Bonnet.
Wait. Chokoze kyaddamu.
Kale, Mark yakufa yoko. Let me ask you the audience. Omanya abasomesa aba mu class naye kana balina ebigambo bye batya.
Ne bagamba bicho byogera.
The female reproductive organ of a woman is called
Anchiwa kibichi. Oyinza kusuubira nti
mama ne besede kutuwa.
Ogambe beramu anona laki.
Abaana bekaza waliwo bakireta mu paper. Akaana ne bakabuza ka P6. Draw a reproductive organ of a woman.
Ne kagikuba.
Omusomesa yakasanga kakopa.
Nakakola
wakana.
Nakakola kacha.
Jangu kwa musomesa ombuzi. Sitoko.
Repeat the question one more time.
The question says,
Draw
the reproductive organ of a woman. Omwana yamusanga akopa. Yangu akopa. Bamusanga akopa. Muki. Mukazi nawe yali muwala. Kati mukibi abakopa.
Yali muwala yali akopa.
Akyusiza ne sitting posture.
Can't get a mask. Fatima, what are you doing?
I'm drawing from the original.
What?